What could be better than seeing exactly what your users were seeing the moment they encounter an error? Seeing what they saw, reading the error log, and even capturing the inner workings of your application while they were using it.
What about live session replay?
He's not wrong though. Add the plugin to your project. Use the plugin with the tracker. Start seeing the list of live sessions. And that's it. If you want to know more, check out the full version of this tutorial with the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified when we release new tutorials like this one. Bye.